I probably have two more questions I want to go over, but you mentioned that Facet is like a philosophy, which is a great way to put it, actually. Do you think that this has the potential to replace the traditional process in its entirety? I guess it's quite a big question and will take some time, but it sounds like the benefits are probably perhaps a little bit too good to ignore.
I mean, I don't see it. The thing is, I do see it as a very traditional process. I just see it as a natural evolution of it rather than replacing it. Because ultimately, at the moment, you're doing way too much stuff using human labor. You want to transform that, and the only way you're going to do that is with more productization, more assembly. There are always going to be limits to that. Um, I think it's a very long way away before you can really automate everything. I think the costs of things are so high. I mean, we did a whole evaluation piece on last year actually on robotic assembly. It's it's still an extremely expensive thing to do, and
Yeah.
it's still the amount of programming that it requires and stuff. Just we put it to bed because it was like, there's no way we're going to do this until a good 3 or 4 years down the line, and then we might pick it up, and then probably then it's going to be too soon. Um, but I see it as a evolution of the construction process. I think the biggest change is actually cultural. That actually people who want to work on building sites are few and far between. We have to change that culture. So I think that's the almost the bigger challenge, really. And you've got to create the tools that people want to use. If we can make jobs that feel really modern and exciting and digital, then that you'll get that natural transformation of the construction site, which is, I don't know what the alternative is, because if nobody wants to be on a construction site and all the brickies are retired and nobody wants to do plasterboarding anymore, what do you do?